Learn the language of love in Spanish, part 3. In part 2, we complimented their appearance. Now in part 3, we will open up our hearts. If you want to let them know that you're catching feelings, then you can say something like, me estoy enamorando de ti. Me estoy enamorando de ti. Another common phrase to use when getting to know someone or when things are going well is to say, me encantas. The literal translation is you charm me. However, the practical meaning is that you really like the other person, and that's how you should use it. Me encantas. Once you've developed a closer link, you can use phrases like te quiero, me gustas. They both translate roughly to I like you. And just like in English, saying I love you carries a deep emotional meaning, and that's when you should use te amo. Some other phrases to express deep feelings could be something like significas mucho para mí. You mean so much to me. You make me happy. Me haces feliz. You are the love of my life. Eres el amor de mi vida. As always, I'm here for you. Let me know in the comments what you want to learn next, and have a happy Valentine's Day.